Hi friends, Teresa Louise here. Welcome to my sewing room. How are you guys doing today? Well, I got a surprise in the mail. Yes, I did. Now, wasn't I going to cancel this? I think I forgot to. So I was surprised when I received it because I had every intention of switching, getting something different. So let's just get this open. Now, full disclosure here, I already opened it because I received it on the day that my sewing group gets together and they wanted to see what it was inside of it. So I had to share it. So no big surprises for me on this video. All right, but I want to still share it with you. So here we go. The theme is patio picnic. And I already have the fabric unwrapped, so it'll just make it all really easy to share with you what's inside of the box. It'll go faster, right? That was rolled up like a jelly roll. All right, let's take a look. We got the fabric, and we got some triangles on a roll to help us make half square triangles. And we got a sample of magic pens. And we got some self-adhering reusable tape. Okay, let's take a look at each thing a little more carefully. So the fabric is called Shades of Summer by Heather Peterson for Riley Blake. And let's look at the fabric, shall we? That stuff makes my nose itch. I'll just leave this up and show you. Okay. It's very pretty fabric, and everybody in my quilting group liked it. So here we go. Oh, this one's really pretty. And there's 21 in a roll, in this roll. So half of a jelly roll. Very pretty. Lots of flowers. Kind of more, I would say, to me it's more, because the colors are, I don't know, it's more fall to me, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Very pretty. Lots of flowers. And a little more solid one. Blender. Here's a nice blue one. And a gingham. Another gingham. Pretty. Some more flowers. Flowers. Lots of flowers in this one. Daisies. Lots of daisies. This is kind of an odd color. That's almost on the orange side, I guess. And here's some polka dots. Very interesting. Kind of modern look to it. Mixing it up with polka dots and lines. Another gingham. That one's pretty. And then a nice white one. Pretty little flowers. Okay, so that is valued at $17.98. Then these half square triangles on the paper are to be used with 2.5-inch wide strips. So, and I think I saw somewhere that there's like, yeah, makes 630 half square triangles. That's quite a bit. Also, these are made in the USA. Wow. And those value at $10.98. I like to see that made in the USA. So, got those. And then we got a sample pack of these magic pens. And those were valued at $12.98. And you get 12 pens in this little case. I'm sorry. $12.98 for 19 pens. It doesn't even really look like there's 19 in there, but you get, oh, here we go. This is what you get in a sample pack. Now, I don't know if this was just for the Sew Sampler. Yeah. It's the Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. So, all right, what I like about it is it gives you a chance to check these pens out before you buy them. And you get 6 of the ones with the pink head, 6 of them with the green head, 6 with the blue, and you only get 1 with the double pen. So I like that I'm going to get to check these out before I buy them, but I'm really think $12.98 is quite expensive, and I wouldn't have bought it for that, that's for sure. But anyway, cute little case. It reminds me of a coffin. It does. All right, what's this tape? All right, this tape can be used. It sticks to itself. That's it. So it kind of feels like vinyl. Okay. Very thin vinyl. And it's not sticky at all on either side. And it just sticks to itself. See there? So you could, they have it wrapped around a spool of thread to hold your thread on. So we could try that. I'm not sure what else you could use it for, but I'm sure there's other things. And that's valued at $7.24. Then we have the pattern that comes, and it's exclusively for the box of July. Very cute pattern. I do enjoy the Fat Quarter Shop's patterns. It is valued probably at $9.98. That's what they usually are. And, yep, $9.98. So these here, sashing, are half square triangles. And then we got the block of the month, which is, the quilt is called Greatest Hits. And I'll show you what it looks like here. And it's, $4.98 for that. All right. I don't have a total. I didn't total that up for you. Sorry. but you could go ahead and total it up. Let's say 20, 30, 40, 50, around $50 before the patterns. 60, about $65. 65 to 70. Okay, well, we also got did I tell you that already? We got a coupon code for 20% off on jelly rolls or half-inch strips. So, very nice. All right, well, did you guys get this box? What did you think of your box? Yeah, I liked it okay. Am I going to get it next month? Uh, not if I go downstairs and get it canceled. I wanted to sign up for their fat quarter block or fat quarter bundles monthly, but there's a waiting list. So that's probably why I didn't cancel this yet. So anyway, I got to find something. Time to move on. But thanks, Fat Quarter Shop. I really love your patterns, and you guys do a lot. So, and I really love being able to see the new fabric too. So anyway, all right, I better go, and thanks so much for stopping by. Until next time, you get out there and make something. Bye for now.